Hello guys, welcome to another product review and unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing a very important product, a very special product in which can help you in building a mini studio in your home or maybe at your place of work or whatever, to just be able to produce premium music and also do great broadcast and podcasts. So before we move on, like as usual, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share to friends and family, and leave a comment in the comment section below. So let's go there right now. Let's take a look around these products. Let's take a look around the carton, and also before we move on, the name of this product is FOCUSRITE, and it is SCARLETT 2i2 Studio. So this is like a mini studio equipment and tools that can allow you to have a mini studio in your home. So first of all, let's take a look at this front. You can see it here. You can see the interface, you can see the headphones, you can see the microphone and the XLR cable. This is a FOCUSRITE original product. So if you take a look at here, you will see different languages that interpret some little information about this FOCUSRITE. And also if you take a look at this back here, you see the same thing, the condenser microphone, the interface, the headphones, the XLR cable, and about the SCARLETT 2i2 Studio 3rd generation 2-in-1 out USB interface with a condenser microphone and headphones, FOCUSRITE. So if you take a look at this place, there's an important information here I want to bring to your notice, that these products can expose you to chemicals including lead, which are known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. So be careful when making use of these products, and just make sure you are making use of this product in a safe way. Also, to verify your SCARLETT 2i2 Studio, the FOCUSRITE, the 3rd gen, you have to make use of this to verify. So let's take a look at this other side. As usual, we still have the 3rd generation 2-in-2 out USB interface with a condenser microphone and headphones. So let's take a look at here. So here you can see something very important, everything you need to know to record at home. There are some important information here, so when you get yours, or you can pause this video to read the important information, because I'm sure you'll be able to see it. So here you can also see some other things you have to know about the tools and equipment in this carton. Yes, we have the interface. Look at the front of the interface, the back of the interface, the headphones, and this is the SCARLETT condenser microphone. Now this product comes with a software, and you can be able to get the software online, like the ALCTRON Lifelite software. There are many other software in which you can see here. Can you see it here? So you can be able to get it on the official website of the FOCUSRITE. So now I'm just going to open this carton right now, and I'm going to tell you some few features about this FOCUSRITE SCARLETT 2i2 Studio. So I actually unboxed this before to verify my product. You can also verify the product on the official FOCUSRITE website, and I'm also going to do a video about how to verify your FOCUSRITE SCARLETT 2i2 Studio. And before we move on, also, if you don't know the work of this is a mini studio. You can be able to produce premium music, you can be able to do good live broadcast, you can be able to do podcast and many more, and even produce premium videos that have good audio quality. So yes, this is our mini studio. Before I move on, let me tell you some few features of this FOCUSRITE SCARLETT 2i2 Studio. It is a 2 mic instrument input. On the interface, you can see the 2 mic instrument input. It has air mode. Yes, also on the interface, you can be able to control it to air mode and some other features. It has headphone input. As usual, it has bus powered. This interface is bus powered. What does it mean to be bus powered? It's powered by USB type C. It doesn't need to be powered by any external electricity. You can just even power with your ordinary laptop, or maybe with your desktop computer. Yes, with type C cable. So let's go to the main unboxing and talk about each product. So first of all, you can see these manuals as usual. So that's that. Also, we have the headphones. The headphones, you put it in your head when you're producing quality music, to monitor your music and music production. These are the headphones. And also this is like a 2-in-1 jack. You can see it. It also has the smaller one. So you can see it is original, the Scarlett. Can you see it? It's very soft. Yes, so that's for this headphones of the Scarlett 2i2 Studio. So let's take a look at the microphone. This is the microphone. It's a very heavy microphone, and it's clear. It's clear. So let me just pull it off right now. It is heavy, like I've said earlier, so you can see it. So this is something like shock mount, but this is not actually shock mount. So you just have to attach it to your microphone this way for you to be able to attach it to any external stand when producing your music. Now this is the audio interface. This is the most important tool or equipment in this carton. It's very important for you to be able to produce your quality music, for your quality live broadcast, for your quality and high good rate podcast. So this is the interface. So this is the monitor control, this is the headphones control, this is for your each input control, maybe your microphone, your jitter, or many more. This is it. So let's take a look at the back, and this back here is where the bus you see the bus powered. The USB Type-C powers it here, so you don't need to plug it to maybe a direct current, just like your laptop or your desktop computer. You can see your lines output left or right. So you can also scan that also. So let's take a look at the XLR cable. So this cable, you actually attach it to your microphone this way. Make use of this. So you attach it to your microphone and then attach it to your audio interface, and then you know your audio interface, you input it to your laptop or your desktop computer, so to be able to receive the audio being sent. Also we have the Type-C cable. So this is the Type-C cable. This is the Type-C cable you are going to put here, and then you attach it, you input this into the USB port of a laptop or a desktop CPU. But before I move on, I would like you to know that I'm also going to drop a video about how to set up a simple studio, so make sure you watch it, and we are going to be connecting all this together. It's a very nice video. So let me make this clear to you. Make sure you check the description section and the comment section for any important links to other videos and many more things. And also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share to friends and family, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.